Welcome back. On today's Sunday leisure ride, we're here in Duarte. We are using our e-mopeds. I think that's the new thing that I'm going to call these things. We've been neglecting them, these e-bikes. We've been doing way too much mountain biking lately. So we thought, trying to even things out and use our Ariel Rider xclass 52 volts. Crystal's Super73 RX only has 60 miles. We're just waiting on for more folks to show up. But yeah, kind of miss these bikes. Like chill, very chill, press the button and you just go. Anyway, with that said, let's cue in the intro. Okay, let me push you and then you jump. Okay?
Thank you. No.
Okay, jump. Go.
No.
Just kidding.
With a hat?
Yeah, I had a mask, a shade, so he definitely did not recognize me at all. Oh no, someone's...
Jack?
The wind, Jack! Oh, the wind took off dropped his bike. Alright, 4:24 p.m. Start our ride. I have about 443 miles on this bike. And we have about 8 people. Let's roll. Yeah? You good? Alright, let's go, guys. Let's roll. Let our leisure ride begin. Yo, what are you doing? This guy's just rummaging in corners or something like that. Alright, we look clear. That guy is very suspicious. Yep, everyone's here. All 8 of us. I like this street on Mayflower. Going south. Really nice homes here. Also really nice scenery for me. Shade and lots of trees. Very nice Sunday ride. Somewhat chilly, but it's perfect. I think it's it's mid-October right now. Just a nice ride here. 450 miles. I gotta do a 500-mile review on this soon. Stay tuned for that for sure. If you're mainly riding on bike paths and pavement and city, urban commuting, definitely recommend the Ariel Rider or the Super 73. Those are definitely my top choices. To your left, there's 8 of us. Just letting you know. Here we go. Let's get some downhill. But if you're doing more kind of off-road, mountain bike, technical rock garden stuff, definitely recommend building your own. Unless you have 5 to 7K to spend on an expensive electric mountain bike. This thing is awesome on the hills too. I'm not saying that these aren't. These are definitely a great choice. Alright, Crystal, go ahead and lead. Yeah, go for it. We're gonna be here for a while.
See you later.
Go ahead, guys. Sorry. Go ahead. We're gonna be here for a while. Go for it. Crystal's leading. Yeah. Alrighty. There we go. Let's get in our emerald necklace loop. Hello. Good mix today. Couple of Aventon bikes. Aventon 500. The electric 2.0. I guess that just came out. More nimble and tinier than the original electric e-bike. We got a juiced e-bike. Crystal Super73 RX. And there's a Big Tricks. I don't even really know what to call it. Bike tricks? Big tricks? I'm not entirely sure what to call it. Hello there, hello. What's up, guys? I can't really tell if they were happy or unhappy about us being here. This is the Rio Hondo bike path, basically heading south towards Whittier. I think this group here is like what you call the pedal enthusiasts. Just about everyone is pedaling with a PAS pedal assist here, which is cool because get some kind of cardio. Oh, lots of crosswind. To your left. Thank you, sir. I am the last. For Halloween, I will be Batman, by the way. I'll be in a onesie of Batman. And I'm going to be wearing, I'm going to be riding this bike. Because that's all I really have. I don't want to spend any more money on costumes that you wear once a year. I'll just be in a onesie. Batman onesie. Something that I already have.
Yeah.
Let me catch him.
I got that slide in there. So
Alright, I'll be right back. I'll catch him. Just pumping some air. Gotta catch Crystal. Alright, let's get our max speed here. Oh, more dogs. More doggies. Meet and greet. They're pumping some air. Yeah, Tina's pumping some air.
Okay.
Yeah. So we'll U-turn and wait. You're leading no one. Your whole group had to stop, and you didn't notice. They just need more air. All right, we just had to add some air on one of the tires. One of the juice bikes. But we're all good. All good here. How's your RX? Dude, we had cobwebs until today. These bikes have not been used in a while. Sometimes we would stop there, but it takes way too much time. I'm gonna take these guys straight here. Little shortcut. And yeah, we'll stop at the boba place area. Oh, there's a new search alert on my offer up. Let's see what that's about. Someone is selling a bafang middrive, Big Tricks Juggernaut. All right. I have like a bafang middrive search alert. Hey-oh. You. It's always a nice shot around the trees. All right, here we go. Carrying on. Take a moment to take in the scenery and take some shots. Pictures last longer, right? So do videos too, though. At least this will forever be on the YouTube. Come on, no-hander. Let's see how far we could take this. Oh, it's so windy. on, turn. Okay, no. Too scary. Got some horsies over there. We're approaching, Horse Barn soon. Whittier, Pico Rivera area that I know they kind of have some, I don't know, equestrian trails, I think. Yep, have a good one. So those batteries, what are the specs on each? Big tricks. And did you add it or did they sell it like? You added it your own. How many miles you tallied so far?
Maybe about 600.
600? Okay, nice. All right, let's head out of Baldwin Park and get to Santa Fe Dam for sundown city lights kind of view. We'll check it out. Let's roll. All right, here's Santa Fe Dam. Let's get it. We did miss sunset, but we're gonna break here for some city lights because it's actually also nice during nighttime. Extra chilly up here. Got the moon to the side. Got the sunset views on the other side. Got e-biking. Got some company behind. What else can you ask for? Just some really great time e-biking. I think we're gonna take a moment here to kind of just take a break, kind of breathe it in, take in the scenery, and drink my boba, even though it's super cold.
A few moments later.
Here we go. Yeah, you guys go for it. All right, we took a 10-minute break. I freaking downed the boba, and now I'm freezing. But we're on a bike, so we're gonna just pedal. Yeah, look, PS0, let's just freaking pedal here. I have a thing for sweets that I just have to have boba, even if it's cold. Alrighty, E-Fam. Thank you for tuning in on today's e-bike adventure. It's been a blast. Check out my useful links in the description below for additional discounts on a Super73 or your Ariel Rider. And if you're more outdoorsy, that was the Costco e-bike. If you're more outdoorsy, definitely build your own e-bike. That's what I recommend. Also in my link down below, use code E-Bike Adventures. Get yourself an e-bike, save gas, save money, and have a great experience out and about. Alright folks, this is Julian signing out. See you guys in the next one. Peace.